Well, hello yacht fans and welcome to my next video. Today we're taking a closer look at the Kadey Krogen 48, a yacht renowned for its classic trawler design, rugged build and outstanding long-range cruising capability. But as with any boat, it has its pros and cons and even a few quirks. Whether you're a potential buyer, enthusiast or just curious about these boats, we'll dive into the specifics that makes this yacht stand out, as well as some challenges previous owners have faced over the years. First off, the Kadey Krogen 48 is often admired for its seaworthiness and its exceptional range capabilities. With a length of 53 feet and a beam of 17 feet, this yacht is a serious option for long voyages, offering stability and comfort even in rough waters. Stepping inside the Kadey Krogen 48 impresses with its spacious and practical interior. The open layout, ample headroom and large windows make for a bright, airy cabin that's perfect for long stays on board. These yachts typically offer 2 comfortable staterooms and 2 heads, including an ensuite master cabin, providing a livable space for extended trips and even full-time cruising. Basically, it could be a liveaboard. And the other reason why I like it, it looks like a little Fleming, doesn't it? I mean, I love the Fleming yachts. If you're not, you can find them on the channel later on. But that looks like a Fleming to me. The craftsmanship is also noticeable, with quality teak woodwork throughout, a well-equipped galley and ample storage options. The emphasis on quality materials and a functional layout has made the Kadey Krogen 48 a go-to for many blue water enthusiasts. But with any boat, it's important to know the history and beware of any potential issues, especially with older models. Up until around 1992, many Kadey Krogen vessels had cored hulls below the waterline. In earlier builds, the core material typically used was a foam core encapsulated in fiberglass, and this was prone to moisture intrusion if the hull penetrations were not perfectly sealed. Moisture in a cored hull can lead to issues like delamination, where the layers of the fiberglass and the core material start to separate. So this is something that is a problem. In the early 1980s, some Krogen yachts developed these issues, and to the credit to the company, they stood by their product, covering the cost for hull repairs on affected boats. Construction techniques have improved as a result, and delamination has become a rare occurrence in later models. While these repairs addressed many of the initial issues, if you're going to buy a second-hand boat, it's best to get a survey, and particularly if your Kadey Krogen is pre-1992, it's always advisable. Another point of note is the fuel efficiency and range that the Kadey Krogen 48s are known for. With around 1,000 gallons of fuel capacity, these boats are capable of up to 3,300 nautical miles at a cruising speed of 7 knots, making them ideal for extended passages. The efficiency is particularly thanks to the yacht's displacement hull design, which prioritizes stability and fuel economy over speed. So it's basically, it pushes its way through the water. You're not going to get there very quick, but you're going to get there in style and relative comfort, really. So, and safety. Power in this boat is typically a 210 horsepower John Deere engine And I dare say they now offer upgrades like Cummins engines, QSL9 engines. But the John Deere engine is known for its reliability and fuel efficiency. It's well suited for long distance cruising. The single engine setup is ideal for experienced cruisers who understand the need for a displacement hull for this type of vessel. Although I would have thought it'd have a backup engine, being a sort of a trawler style explorer yacht. It needs redundancy, so it must have like a wing engine as well. Perhaps you can comment and let me know in the comments. The Kadey Krogen 48 is an appealing vessel. Like I said earlier, it looks like a small Fleming, and that looks like a traditional classic beauty of a yacht to me. The full displacement hull gives you more interior space, so you'll have larger cabins. It's a reliable brand of yacht, although, you know, it's not the only Explorer yacht. We cover a lot of them on this channel. But, you know, if you're anchored in a remote cove or navigating open waters, it's a good yacht to be in. It gives you that little ship feel. This boat is built to handle a variety of conditions while keeping you in comfort, really. So is the Kadey Krogen right for you? Well, quick look at the market, and we're at the time of filming this video, October 2024. You can get a younger vessel for around the $2 million mark, or you can get an older 1984 vessel, but, you know, check for issues, get it surveyed. But they come in at $145,000. So you can get a lot of boat for your money, as long as it's sound. It's a good option, good spacious. It can even be a liveaboard, but certainly a good vacation yacht. Also, I'd like to add as well, while just looking online at the boats for sale, the 42, right the way up to the 54, the 48. All these sizes of boats, you can pretty much get into any marina with this size of boat. And of course, the bigger you get, and when you start going over 60 foot, you start getting issues of where you can actually go with your yacht, because a lot of marinas that you really want to get into, you're just too big for it. So that's a big consideration, and that's why I think sort of this size range of yacht is a ideal boat, owner operator boat, and one that I really like the look of as well. It's an excellent choice for those interested in long range cruising, which has a proven track record for its seaworthiness. And it also, if you consider a model built before 1992, like I said before, work with a trusted surveyor and get the hull inspected. Ensure it's like in top condition before you part with any of your hard-earned cash. Yeah, it's a cracking boat. I know there's better Explorer yachts out there, and please let me know your thoughts down in the comments. And thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye now.